What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 18 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this J Feather Micro 199 MBS. This RV sleeps up to 8 and is only 23 feet. Alright, so according to Jayco, this RV sleeps up to 8 people, but that is putting 2 people on the front bed, 2 people in the dinette, and 2 people on each of the double bunks. Now, if you have a lot of little kids, it definitely sleeps up to 8. But if you're more adults or teenagers, this RV sleeps 5 comfortably. Let's take a look at the specs though before we tour this RV. So, this RV has a hitch weight of 625 pounds, an unloaded vehicle weight of 4,510 pounds, a gross vehicle weight of 5,750 pounds, and a total carrying capacity of 1,240 pounds. And the total length of this RV is 23 feet, 2 inches. Let's go ahead and start on the front of this RV, and we'll make our way around and then head inside. So, as you come up to the front of this RV, you've got decals up on the front, and then you've got this really nice electric tongue jack. That's a really nice thing to have, and then dual propane tanks right behind it. And then over on the side of this RV, your running lights are prepped for the Furrion side view cameras. And then you've got this nice underbelly storage. This actually passes all the way to the other side and actually goes around the corner like this side does. That right there is that compartment. On the side of this RV, you've got this slide out, and I love slide outs that have the little exterior storage like this. This right here sits under the extra space in the inside dinette. And then this RV has a roof rack on the top. And then you've got these really nice Goodyear Wrangler tires. It's nice to see a quality tire. And then you've got your water connections there, then your sewage dump, and then you've got your 30 amp power hookup, as well as your cable TV connections. That's going to do it for the side of this RV. Now let's head over to the back where you've got your on-demand hot water system, and then this RV is prepped for the Furrion backup camera. It also has a really nice ladder to get up and access the roof racks. So this right here is the camp side of the RV. You can see that there is a window up there. That right there is for the double bunks that we'll check out in a minute. And then you also have an outdoor kitchen on the campsite of this RV, which is a really nice thing to have. You've got a smaller size refrigerator, as well as a pull-out griddle. And then you've got 2 outdoor speakers, as well as an awning with an LED light strip. And then you've got your vent for your hood vent that sits directly above the stovetop. And then down here you have your furnace exhaust, as well as a power outlet that sits right next to your cable TV output, so you can set up a TV on the outside. Then, as I mentioned earlier, you've got your Goodyear tires, and then you've got your Lippert solid steps, which is really nice. And then up front is the other side of the underbelly pass-through storage that we saw earlier. And this RV has a 2-year limited warranty and a 3-year structural warranty. But this RV has a fiberglass exterior, and it also has Azdel. I'm ready to tour the inside of this RV, so let's take a look. Starting with the front entry door, this RV is prepped with the Lippert thin shade, which is really nice because it blocks the light coming through the window in the door. And then when you first walk in, you've got 2 bunks in the back. You've got a U-shaped dinette and then this couch slash bed up front. So this couch actually drops down, and then a Murphy bed kind of folds down on top. You got your TV and then large cabinets up above the bed, as well as pull-out drawers beneath the bed. And then over to the dinette, you've got this huge U-shaped dinette that drops into a large bed. We have a similar U-shaped dinette in our RV, and we absolutely love it because it's almost the exact same size as the bed up front. And then heading to the back, you've got a good-sized bathroom for a smaller-sized travel trailer, large shower, and then you've got a window, and next to that is a medicine cabinet that sits directly above the sink. And beneath the sink, you have a cabinet that is kind of useless. But then you've got your toilet, but above that is a shelf, and then you've got your vent fan in the ceiling. That's going to do it for the bathroom. Now let's check out these double bunks. So these bunks are pretty good size, but you definitely can only sleep probably two small size kids in these. You definitely can't fit 2 adults. But this right here drops down, so you can have it as a full bed, but you can also put it up how it was, and it will kind of like expand the little area that you have underneath for storage. Then you've got these nice sliding curtains for privacy, and each of the bunks have their own windows, which is really nice. And then next to it is the kitchen with a large refrigerator up top and a freezer on the bottom. Then beneath that you have a deep pull-out drawer. All the drawers are really nice and deep. Then you've got a 3-burner cooktop. And then above that is your vent fan, and then you've got your small size microwave. Next to that is another good sized cabinet, and then below that is your sink, which is a little bit on the narrow side, but that's all right. Beneath that is a decent amount of cabinet space too, for there being plumbing in it. That right there is pretty much the inside of this RV. What do you guys think? Could you definitely sleep up to 8 in this RV if you had, a couple kids and maybe some adults? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.